Top 3 Best Personal Blenders in 2022. Having a personal blender in your home can make it easier to maintain a healthy lifestyle. They are designed for a single person to use, and are often used for making single-serve healthy smoothies, protein shakes and other healthy cold drinks. You can even use them to make your own homemade sauces and dressings. They're compact and easy to use. You simply add all the healthy ingredients in a cup, add some liquid, put on the lid and give it a whirl. Personal blenders are a great addition to anyone's diet, whether you are an athlete or just someone who wants to eat healthier. In this video, we will be reviewing the top 3 best personal blenders on the market in 2022. Let's get started. Starting at number 3 is the Hamilton Beach 800 Watts Personal Blender. Would you like to have a delicious and healthy smoothie ready in 30 seconds? If you're looking for a personal blender that can complete virtually any blending task, then look no further than the Hamilton Beach 800 Watts Personal Blender. For shakes and smoothies, it has all the power of a full-size blender while taking up very little counter space. It has a powerful 800-watt motor and 2 speeds, making it perfect for people who love making healthy smoothies, protein shakes, dips, sauces, soups, and more. The Hamilton Beach 800 Watts Personal Blender features SureBlend technology, which consistently pulls ingredients down into the blades for a super smooth blend. It also features a patent-pending sound shield which effectively muffles noise for quieter blending, and a 20-ounce blend and go jar that has a leak-proof flip-top lid that lets you drink right from the cup, cutting your cleanup time in half. In conclusion, the Hamilton Beach 800 Watts Personal Blender is a good choice for someone who values quiet blending, who wants something that allows them to make healthy drinks they can have on the go, and who doesn't have extra space in the kitchen to store a larger sized blender, but who also doesn't want to compromise on blending power. Next up, at number 2, we have the Ninja NutriPro 1100 Watts Personal Blender. The Ninja NutriPro 1100 Watts Personal Blender is a powerful blender that can blend ice, frozen fruit and vegetables, for healthy smoothies, in seconds, making it one of the best personal blenders currently on the market. Some very notable features make it stand out from the crowd. One of these features is its 1100-watt power blend system, which can chop all types of fruits and vegetables into tiny pieces in seconds. It also features AutoIQ preset programs, with unique pulsing and pausing patterns, to deliver smoothies and frozen drinks, at the touch of a button. The Pro Extractor Blades assembly fully breaks down whole foods, ice, and seeds, unlocking the full potential of your fruits and veggies. 2 24-ounce single-serve cups are included to allow you to make a smoothie for both you and a friend, in half the time. In conclusion, the Ninja NutriPro 1100 Watts Personal Blender is great for people who enjoy smoothies, shakes, soups, and many other healthy blends. It's also powerful enough to crush ice, seeds and nuts completely, making it a good choice for anyone who wants to make the most out of their smoothie or shake by adding additional healthy ingredients, which require more power. This personal blender also features the additional benefits of being small, taking up very little space and is easy to clean. And last but not least, the NutriBullet 600 Watts Personal Blender is our number 1 top best personal blender of 2022. The NutriBullet 600 Watts Personal Blender is the best personal blender you can buy overall, in 2022. It is the ultimate kitchen gadget for anyone who cares about their health and wants to make healthy food choices at home as part of a healthy lifestyle. The NutriBullet 600 watts personal blender makes it very easy to make healthy smoothies and protein shakes, with your favorite fruits and vegetables. Unlike other blenders that liquefy food, this blender pulverizes it, which makes it easier for the body to absorb nutrients. It's easy to use and super easy to clean up afterward. The NutriBullet 600 watts personal blender has been endorsed by multiple health specialists, including Dr. Ross and Dr. Gundry, who have said that this blender can help with weight loss and help boost the immune system. In conclusion, the personal blender you select can have a significant impact on your health and well-being. While personal blenders are great for making smoothies, they can also be used to make soups and other types of healthy food. We hope this top 3 best list has been helpful. If you want to learn more, for more top 3 best videos, please subscribe to our channel.